So this is Danger Pro Thunder 3, and we got Nerf guns to show you, and they're homemade Nerf guns. I made them last night. Bye, everyone. Bye. Okay, so let's get on with my small one first. It's kind of the best one. Here's my first one. I'm going to make a 2.0 pretty soon. And I'm going to throw to 1 point or something. But this one works, but my 2.0, I already know it's going to shoot really far. Okay, so let me get some money, because all mine are shoot with money. Or quarters or something like that. This one can't shoot quarters, and I'll make a video with the 2.0. I learned this off of Crazy Russian Hacker. I'll leave a description below to check out his channel. Okay, so let me find some munners, and I'll be right back. Okay, it. Okay, so we got our quarter, and let's get shooting. So here's how you launch it. You put it in there. And this took a lot of tape just to finish. You put it in there like this, because this is a tranquilizer dart gun. You go like this. But you got to let go of the quarter and the rubber band. So it goes like this. And look at that, guys. It shot a bit farther than it did last night. Because last night I think I didn't have that good of aiming. But let's do that one more try, and I'll put the camera right over here. You guys can see me. Shoot it. Okay, so you ready, guys? Let me get it loaded. Hold on, it didn't shoot yet. When you hear that ting on the ground, I shot it. You gotta be careful with this homemade gun. Okay, so let me keep trying to do it, guys. It's kind of difficult. Right about a week ago. Okay. You see that, guys? It shot really far. I was standing from right there, guys, and I'll show you where I shot it from. It shot. God, it looks like I shouldn't have grabbed a different. Let me try to find it. I know it's somewhere right there. Sorry, little baby thing. I knew it landed somewhere over here. Oh, no, that's it. Have to do a slow motion play. But oh, here it is, guys. I found it. Look at it. It landed. It must have hit something because the quarter landed right over here. See, guys, like the quarter landed right over here, and you guys can rewind it. And yeah. So let's get on to the next gun. Okay, so we have our. Here's my next gun. It's pretty big. It won't fit the camera. It looks like a bazooka, but it shoots. It's more like, yeah. Okay, so step one, you just place it on the ground like this. Like that. You get under, you lay down like this, and let's get a candy shot. And let's point it near the door so it won't fly out. Like, okay. So let's go like right here. So yeah. And so let's get our money. Aim it where you want to go. Get ready to launch it. Now you gotta be watching this quarter because you might shoot it in See, like my translator dart. Yeah. And this gun actually has to reload. My translator dart has to too, but it only has one ammo, so you get one shot. So here's how you reload it if you miss your shot. This blue rubber band under here, you just pull it down and it'll reload. And I guess it reloaded by itself. Well, that's a little strange. Well, let's keep trying to shoot it because this gun's kind of difficult. It's more for the older kids, I guess. Ow, frick. So, which gun do you like better? I think I kind of liking this gun. Load it. This gun actually kind of sucks, guys. It's not really that good. But there ain't going to be another 2.0 for this one. Yeah, actually there is, but it's going to be the same design. I'm just going to take this rubber band out because this rubber band sucks. Alright, let's use the normal rubber band. Oh, guys, look at it landed right. Well, I'll show you. Oh, it landed right in my hand. Okay, so this gun takes practice because it doesn't have that big of a hole. Let me try to make it a bit bigger. Okay. Oh, can I make the hole as big as it could be? Yeah? Okay, hold on, guys. Okay. My mom tried to ask my dad for money, but she doesn't have any. Doesn't need much money for his work. Okay, so I made the hole a bit bigger, like I said before I paused this. Oh my god, I tried to make the hole bigger and it still won't do, guys.
Okay, so these are chicken.
Yeah, they're chicken.
There it goes, guys. I shot it. I just had just a hole, and it landed under one of my mom's ridiculous plates. It landed right here. So, like I said, this gun takes practice. But what's your favorite gun out of all of them? And here's how you keep storage with your gun. So this one has storage in it. You pluck it in there, like, pluck it in there. Like, then you start hammering with that. But yeah, so that was my homemade Nerf guns. Which one do you like better? I think I like the small one because the big one's kind of hard to shoot. But yeah. Stay tuned for the next episode.